Hi everyone. This week, we're going to be doing the interactive lab for the kinetic sand experiment. So what is required is sand, which I have over here, and cornstarch, which I have over here. I'm not sure if you're able to see it, but it says cornstarch. Dish soap and water. I already added 1 cup of water in this bowl. So, to get started, what we're going to be doing is mixing the 4 ingredients together. So, to start off, I'm going to be mixing the sand with the cornstarch. This would be called our dry mixture. So, give me 1 moment while I mix this up. I'm just making sure I'm mixing everything with proper consistency. Everything's being mixed together. So it looks like everything has been fairly mixed together. So this is again my dry mixture, which was the sand with the cornstarch. So this has been mixed. So the next step is the wet mixture, which would be mixing the dish soap with the cup of water I have set aside over here. But give me 1 moment. I'll be right back. So I'm going to be adding in the dish soap. And I'm going to be mixing it. This is the wet mixture. Again, the water with the dish soap. The next step would be to mix the dry mixture and the wet mixture together. So this would be mixing with this one, my dry mixture. But I'm going to be careful. I'm going to be cautious of not mixing it, like using too much of this. So, like stated in the video, so we'll see how this goes. And then I'm going to try to clamp some of it up with my hands and see if I can get anything. Like, who do I get basically a kinetic sand from this experiment? So give me 1 moment while I'm trying to just mix everything up. So bear with me for a moment. So I'm picking a small sample up. As you can see, I'm not sure if you're able to see. Sorry about the lighting. But as I'm clamping it up, it's staying together like a clay would. But if I were to like break it off, it easily falls off. So like a sand would. So this is like a clay, again, if I'm like pumping them all up together. But if I'm breaking it apart, it just becomes like a sand. So this was my experiment for this week. So what actually happened over here was, in kinetic basically means togetherness due to the movement of energy. And this basically describes kinetic sand. However, it's not like the sand which you would see in the beach. Sand obviously sticks together when the force is applied. However, like I showed you, when I was trying to break it apart, it automatically just breaks apart on its own. So what actually happened is when I added the liquid to the cornstarch, or when the dry mixture was added to the wet mixture, it started to obviously become thicker, and that's how the sand becomes heavier with water at the beach. So in this experiment, basically the wet ingredients, like stated, the water and the dish soap was added to the wet ingredients. The water and the dish soap, which was the wet part of the experiment, was added to the dry part of the experiment, which is the cornstarch and the sand. So if you're having the proper amount of ingredients per se, your sand per se would stay dry enough to not stick together on your hands, but also wet enough to stick together. So again, this was my experiment. Thank you for joining me in today, and this was my result for the kinetic sand. Thank you again. Have a good one.